Are your cleaning products safe for kids and pets?
Yes, all of our products are carefully selected to be non-toxic, environmentally responsible, and safe for families. We understand the sensitivity of newborns, toddlers, and young children, pets, especially dogs and cats who lie on the floor or lick surfaces, allergy-prone individuals, or those with respiratory conditions. That's why we use pH-neutral, biodegradable cleaning solutions, soft microfiber cloths, and residue-free products, particularly in kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms. And if your home features eco-friendly materials or specialty coatings, just let us know. We'll match our methods to your finishes. If you have specific preferences like fragrance-free products, natural cleaners, or chemical-free zones, we are happy to tailor the clean to your needs.